Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show PEG new hires how to do their benefit enrollment elections. So when you start as a new hire, you will receive an email that says you have a checklist item. The benefit enrollment checklist has been created for you. Just like your withholdings and your direct deposit, very similar, this one's for benefits. So when you're on your homepage, you're just going to come down to checklists and you'll see that benefit enrollment hasn't been started and you're going to click start. Now, it's important to note that you're going to make all of your benefit elections from the benefit guide that has been provided to you. The benefit guide will show you all of the rates, all of the different plans, everything that you need to know about what you're contributing. In UKG, all you're doing is making those selections. So you're using the benefit guide to make these selections. If you have any questions, please reach out to HR. It's also important to note that from your date of hire, you will have, or from your start date, I should say, you will have 30 days to make these elections. So here it says 24. This profile was created 6 days ago, so it will count down and keep track of how much time you have left. So you want to go into continue. You'll see all of these instructions that take you through step by step. And here is where you're making your elections. So you will be instructed to select the type and the coverage level, and that will be specific to your individual family and your circumstances. Once you've made those changes, you can click save, or you can waive all of them if you will not be choosing benefits. If you are not electing benefits, you still have to come in here and complete these steps. Waive all dental, vision, you would select these if you'd like them, and voluntary plans, you can go through those. Then you're going to come and confirm and submit. This will tell you the amount that you will be paying, and you can go in here and submit it. I don't want to do that because this is a real profile, but that is how you make those elections. Thank you so much.